Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Today we're continuing our search series on the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad, and we're going to learn how to use the wildcard function for searching within the whole library or just within a book. Let's again click on the search magnifying glass in the top right hand corner of the screen to open up my search text entry box. We're going to first of all look for, say, the word trust. So if I enter the word trust, it would find the word trust, and I have 13,832 results. But if I enter a wildcard after the T in trust there, and then search again, you'll notice now it jumps to 18,698 because it's going to find trust is the root of the word, but then you find trust and trusting and trusted and truss, and all the different forms of trust are also found within my results. So that's the great thing about the wildcard search feature within the app. Now, if I want to look for a wildcard within the book here, so let me go to Desire of Ages, and I put in disciple, and I hit return there. I get 53 results. But if I put in a wildcard on disciple, I now get 578 results, because often Christ would have used the word disciples more than he would have used disciple, or maybe discipled, but there are different forms of the word, and using wildcard again can open up from the root to all forms of the word when I'm doing a search. Okay, so I hope that wildcard feature that we pointed out today has been very helpful for you to learn how to use a wildcard for expanding your search options within the EGW Writings 2 app. Go with God and be blessed.